Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 Valve anti-cheat was unable to verify that your machine is secure. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on Dota 2. So the first method for solution is to right click on the application right here. Once you find it, go to properties, and then from properties you're going to go to the installed files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once you do that, it will restore all the files, and anything that is corrupted, it will hopefully fix it. Now, if that doesn't work, then close the window, and then from here go to the Steam on the top left, and then from here click on it, and then go to settings. Once you do that, you're going to go to the downloads, which is going to be right here, and then from here you're going to click on clear cache. Now, once you click on this, it will log you out of Steam, and you have to log in again. And then before you run it, simply click on it and then manage, and then uninstall the game, then install it again once you have deleted the cache, and you will be settled and it will work. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.